Turn off your oxygen on your torch and set things up.
What? No way. Thanks, guys. You don't have to do that anymore. You don't have to get your hands all dirty. I showed that tip for keeping spatter off stuff. I'll show you something. We're working on the exhaust for the Chevelle and we're using V-bands. If you know anything about them, they gotta have a perfect fit. So spatter, having a grind off spatter, that's no good. So let me show you. CRC sent me some of their Weld Aid HD, the Weld Clean HD anti-spatter, and I've been trying it out. I like this stuff. It's way cleaner than using soot. So we give everything good spray here. Spray anything that you don't want spatter on, and yeah, it won't stick to it. Spray your table. You just give her a weld, wipe her off, and yeah, nothing sticks to it. Yeah, we're gonna be using this here Weld Aid on all the exhaust for the Chevelle. It's gonna be super nice. Not gonna have to soot things up anymore.